this hoe, but she tried me, bitch, bitch. I don't even know this hoe, but she tried me, I don't even know this hoe, why she tried me, bitch, bitch. Walking on a tightrope, trying to get a grip, bro. Walking on a tightrope, just to get a grip, bro. Walking on a tightrope, just to get a grip, bro. You don't ever gotta sit me down, I'm gonna listen. 400K fucking plays on SoundCloud. Next year, I'ma be performing at Rolling Loud. Dying, not an option, only getting bigger, bitch. Trying to tell my bro just to chill, he quit his passion. Niggas look at me like I'm the problem, can't gas it. Air them out if my brother snake, they get fanned down, bitch. They can't even say I'm just in the flows, that's my shit, bitch.